off his skin. Guys, I'm peeling off his skin. Get the banana! Right, you're right there.
Oh my god. Oh god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh god. Frick, get in the porch. Go in the porch. Go in the porch. The wind's like. Oh my freaking god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, it's starting to sprinkle. That was nice. Down to the baseball. The baseball. I'm gonna put it in the bathroom. I'm gonna have to put that in the bathroom for now. Oh my god. Bro, it literally made the fan spin. This is nuts. Yeah, they just issued a severe thunderstorm warning for us, so. Nothing. Oh, I think I hear thunder. Oh, the storm's about to blow in. This is just like the beginning of it. This is just like the beginning of it. I can kind of see the storm clouds starting to blow in.
Hey! Bro, I'm gonna get freaking copyrighted.
Oh, frick, oh, frick. Oh, gosh dang. God dang, bro, god dang. God dang. God dang. I said god dang. Oh my god. Oh, frick. Oh, frick. I said frick, not freak. Oh my gosh. So windy. Yeah, it's getting pretty windy out here. You can see the bird feeders swaying. The bird feeder right here is swaying.
Put that shit up.
It's super.
Where are you going to bed?
Yeah.
Don't say, oh my God.
Ooh, it's getting pretty windy over there. Hey, Casey. Ooh. Ooh. There's still people down the river. There's still people down the river down there. Yeah, there's still people floating down the river right there. It's probably fun since it's windy, so that way the water pushes you more faster. Because those people seem like they're going pretty fast, pretty standard pace. Yeah, it's getting pretty windy. What about you? Oh my gosh. It's getting pretty windy. See, these plants are going crazy. Oh my gosh. Oh. Yeah, it's getting pretty windy out here.
Why?
Oh, right. No, I'm actually not lying.
You popped a balloon on me. That's why my shirt was wet.
Yeah.
You popped that balloon on me.
Yeah, this the bird feeder's swaying like crazy.
Man, give me the water.
Water's going out of the pool. It's starting to overflow. You can see there's like a trail of water. There's no water here. Oh. Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh my gosh. There's still people floating on the river down there, surprisingly. The storm is basically just now going over us. It felt really good for me. The river felt really good. Yeah. The water's starting to overflow the thing right here. It's super windy. Oh gosh. Oh! Water's starting to overflow. Oh, I hear thunder. Yeah, because I saw on the news yesterday that it was supposed to rain. Yeah, so I guess that's all. I just wanted to get a part of the thunderstorm. So, yeah. Anyways, I guess that's it.